As you may know, we have been desperately missing Japan, and we found a Japanese convenience store. Super cool. They have your rice.
Origami?
Another Instagram thing. We did it, we're here. Wow, polite, thank you. Do you work here? I'll give you a tip.
Why, yes, I do.
Our Coke has Alexa on it. Oh my god, Uber Eats. We got 2 of our 3 items. We got garlic bread. How is it?
You're gonna like it.
Huh?
You're gonna like it.
Well.
There's too much for me, but you're
Too much garlic?
You're gonna love
I
it.
like garlic.
That's why.
And now here we have the item that made me discover this place. We got the fried vodka pasta loaf. What? I don't know.
Square?
She's cutting into it.
Ooh.
What kind of pasta?
Penne.
Okay, yummy.
Ooh, it's my favorite type of spaghetti.
Don't burn yourself.
Wait, it's spaghetti or it's penne?
It's spaghetti and
Oh, I didn't know. Oh my gosh, yum.
Yeah, that's good.
This looks so
And she
good.
got the other.
The cacio e pepe dish. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
it's really good.
It lives up to the hype.
Hi.
Continuing her goal to have Taco Bell in every place she visits. Here we are, going to Taco Bell Cantina near Times Square.
Hi.
She had her nachos, and it's much better than Japan Taco Bell, thankfully.
Really?
Taco Bell trash.
I did not know that.
R.I.P. Japan Taco Bell.
Wow.
Peru Taco Bell, no, that was good too.
They had lomo saltado burrito. As we were leaving Taco Bell, they called out someone's name for an order, and they were like, Marco, and I had to bite my tongue to not go, Polo!
You should have.
I was like dying.
They set you up.
And of course, here we are, iconic Times Square. All the funness.
They didn't do it for 2024?
Hey, it's the ball. I never knew it was. Is it there all year?
Yeah.
Every year?
Yeah.
Oh my! I never knew. It was,
It's to
all the
bottom.
times I've been here, I've never seen that.
My
So
my
funny.
dad was the one that pointed out to me when we were here in 2011. That's why I was like, oh, there it is, the Times Square ball.
Literally.
Keeps the year up all year.
Yeah.
So they switch it.
And if it fell down, time would not
The year's
exist.
over. Exactly. It's like a kind of a stopwatch in Twilight Zone.
Oh. And here we have a statue of the founder of Times Square, George M. Times Square. We're trying to figure out why this hot dog is here. Is it performance art? Is it a tourist attraction?
Can I tell you what I heard? I was like eavesdropping because I like to eavesdrop sometimes. And the girl was like, yeah, it's supposed to be turning up like to the side and then shoot confetti from the top. I'm like, oh, so a hot dog shooting confetti. What?
Yeah, in other places, you eat a hot dog and you shoot stuff out.
Yeah.
But here, the hot dog eats you and shoots out.
We were talking about this being a good concept for a New York Strikes Back movie where the hot dogs eat the people and the pigeons go on the attack. And other New York themed.
It's the stuff your own Reese's.
Wait. Free and view on the heart of Times Square from June 30th to June 13th, April. It's controlled by hydraulic mechanisms. The hot dog will periodically ascend toward the sky and eject a burst of confetti.
Wait, today?
Okay, so is it free to like view from over here or free to view from the inside? Someone's coming out. They've got a badge.
It says
though.
staff. The hot dog
Oh my
staff.
We came into the Hershey store, but I'm so full. Yeah, we got 3 Hershey's bars for entering, but I'm so full still from unregular pizza. I'm having second thoughts about getting a gargantuan thing.
He died in the Titanic, right? Or was that Macy's?
That was Macy's.
Okay.
Unless it was also home.
I like it.
That was a water slide moment right there.
No, that was the 14-year-old girl stuff.
It's what's his name? Irving.
Your peppermint had
Hey,
hot cocoa.
Cappuccino.
Oh, it's cappuccino. I just, yeah, I'm
Peppermint
illiterate.
cappuccino.
Hey, but hey,
Should I not be doing theme music?
you're making
Okay, since my camera's a dingus, can I just get a quick recap of how
what happened?
you loved the show?
It was so great. We appreciate Orlando. It was a good show. Like, I definitely still love Beetlejuice a lot more, but it was up there with comedy. It just,
Beetlejuice a lot more. I haven't heard that yet.
Well, I did like it a lot. I'm sorry, Beetlejuice is still in my heart, but I did like it. There were some moments I was like, I don't know if I should be laughing or not.
Okay, I think I figured it out. So, quick recap.
We'll have to test it.
We liked the show.
It was very funny.
The funny thing about New York versus downtown Orlando is you see crazier things in New York, and yet I always feel safer than I do in downtown Orlando.
Now that I think about it.
How they let this one be good. Get a taco with
We stopped at a restaurant. We were gonna go to a rooftop bar, but the wait was outrageous.
It was like maybe like a 30
So we stopped at Seoul Mexican restaurant with a gorgeous view of the building blocking the Empire State Building.
That's a meme now. Yeah, I wish I could see the Empire State Building.
If only.
If only.
We can imagine it.
This food looks pretty good, but does somebody have a joke about portion size at nice restaurants?
There's a discrepancy here.
Yeah, I mean, there's a little.
One time.
If you want to break your vegetarian diet, you can
I have to
something like that.
consider.
When I was
No, now that my dad returned the bean dip from his lap, maybe I can eat some of that.
We're here at the what's this called?
Iron Building.
Iron, what? Flatiron Building, and very exciting, the portal to Dublin. Now we can say we've been to Ireland. You want to race across, or you want to wait for everyone?
No, wait.
There's Dublin. Look at us. And I got a fancy espresso. There's a wiener dog meetup with apparently 26 dachshunds. My favorite kind of dog.
Long-haired dachshunds.
Look at all these amazing wiener dogs. New York with no cars in the street. It's bizarre. Where?
The apocalypse!
Ah! World War Z! And here we are, close to where we were last night, except you can see the Empire State Building because that eyesore is over there.
Why is it so
Eyesore is the perfect word.
Robot fried
LOL, it's my glasses.
No, it looks, oh my god. I was like, no, it looks pink to me. And then I took my glasses off and it wasn't pink.
Oh, whoa. It's great people.
Turns out dining in Times Square was so overwhelming, we just settled for Popeyes, which she doesn't even like. We don't even know if she's gonna eat her food.
Well, it was just because like I was like, oh, let me see like what restaurants are nearby, and it's just like there's no restaurants. It's all like big chains.
You choose good view or nice restaurant, and we chose good view. And also they have a cool conveyor belt. I'm gonna go show that. Yeah, they have this little elevator and it comes out. I totally missed my order. Whoops. Did I mention we went to the M&M store? I don't know. But now we're in Krispy Kreme because Emma randomly got one last night and it made us want one. They have a fun little conveyor belt. I always love nice little donut conveyor belts, donut factories. Here's our show for the day, Moulin Rouge. And Jacob owns something over there. My brother. 10 Tony Awards, including Best Musical. Let's not forget Best Actor.
Do you like my reaction?
Yes.
I will.
Mamma Mia, Moulin Rouge crossover. Okay, now what we didn't see in Orlando is this amazing staging and the windmill, and the theater is beautiful as well. I didn't really get the lobby. Maybe I will later. I don't know. But nice. Moulin Rouge and holy
I cried 3
cow.
times, even though we saw it in Orlando.
Yeah, we just saw it 3 months ago, but it's like we saw it for the very
For the
first
first
we were
time.
touched for the very first time.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey there, how you doing?
Great, how are you?
The Duke.
You did amazing.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Glad you enjoyed.
Look at this little guy. Scritchy scratching.
The most iconic thing here in New York City.
Rats, rats, weirdo rats.
Our watch is telling me, you're low, we're low. I think I might get excited.
I was driving from Universal Spotted. So we went to Picky Barista, also called Peaky Barista, very confusing. We got really delicious Irish cream lattes and croissants, which we haven't tried yet, but I'm just gonna say they were delicious because I'm sure they will be, and I don't want to do another clip, right?
That's what Intel takes on Pakistan.
Build-A-Bear Workshop vending machine. We are 2 hours early, already through security. We could have done so much. We could have gone to Central Park.
You know, at least we got pulled by TSA
And we're
for the
still
luggage.
2 hours.
And we're still early.
The grand finale of that
I
flight
almost died.
was wild, but not deadly. They were landing, and then they, at the last minute, started speeding up again while still in the air. And after like 10 minutes, we're like, LOL, we need to circle around because something was on the runway. And we're like, so that's what's going on. They circled around like twice. And I've also never been on a plane with so many
Children
poorly
crying.
behaved children. Excuse me, I've